that how can you give a little idea about how Akadru operates and how can people benefit the maximum when
Absolutely.
they come to this platform?
Absolutely. So Akadru is a multidisciplinary online platform which is a collection of learning modules and projects which help students to create profiles, build skills, deep skills, as well as just to see that just to do some bit of application in that particular topic. If that topic is aligned with your interest and passion, then you can go further to build skill building activity. You can do skill building activities to create your profile, which can be further used in many ways in your jobs, in your education system, in your college admissions. Anywhere you can use this. If you ask me particularly, this is all about igniting your curiosity. That is one portion, which is a broad portion. But if you want me the exact outcomes of Akadru is basically you find your own interest, you find your own passion, you find the jobs which are aligned with your interest, which are aligned with your passion, and then you also create your own learning trajectory which leads to a job or a degree which you would like to pursue aligned with your interest. So my point is that it is basically interest based learning, not something which is being just given to you and or which is being you are you it's more of pull rather than push. You are pulled into a direction in which you want to follow that. Basically, it's a pull in that direction, and it's a trajectory, learning trajectory, which is you're creating for yourself. Does
Interesting.
this make sense?
Yes, yes, absolutely. And I think when you say it is very, it has a pull technique rather than a push technique, uh, and it is very interest centric. Do we have some kind of infusion of artificial intelligence going into that platform?
Absolutely. So there are two three things which particularly we have tried to do. Is first is recommendation engine. So
Okay.
recommendation engine is the recommendation of learning modules to a learner on the basis of the behavior of that learner on the platform, which is very important for a student or for a user, for the learner to create your own learning trajectory. Second thing is interest cloud.
Okay.
Interest cloud tells you the areas where you focused. When you so just retract. When you go on an online platform, what you do is we don't have any starting. We just start seeing a lot of modules, lot of courses, lot of topics simultaneously. But what happens with the interest cloud, it will show you at the end which are the topics which you have spent most of the time and where your interest and passion is moving towards, which in turn helps you to find out the areas where you would like to pursue your career in. Second thing. Third thing, that it also tells you the jobs which are suited to you according to your platform behavior and interest, that these with the culmination of the behavior and interest, these are the jobs which you might want to look further, and these are the jobs which you would excel in because these are aligned with your interest and passion.
Wow, this sounds really amazing to understand that how Akadru has it's not just a library where people just come and skim through various modules on the basis of the interest, and then they divert and then they hop on to another module and they do not really know where they are going to. But this is a platform which actually helps you funnel down to your own interest with with the cloud that you're talking about, which helps you do
Absolutely.
that.
You are not lost. Ever,
Beautiful.
the whole idea of creating this platform is that you self mentor yourself. You fundamentally, I believe that mentoring is something which really brings out best in the best in the kid. But the the whole platform is designed in such a way that if a student want to mentor, then the student can self mentor, because there are many check-ins, there are many outcomes which are being shown on the behavior of yours. So
Right.
that allows you to self mentor, and you are being always you are always being constantly being helped to find your own unique trajectory,
Absolutely.
learning
Absolutely.
trajectory.
Very true. Very true. And